Hello traders, welcome back. In the last lesson we covered how to set up your workspace and presets. In this video we'll show how to draw quickly and how to use the objects to help you up your trading game. But before that I want to show you some features. Hit Shift P to bring up the chart patterns reference guide. You can click on it to magnify the image. Hit Shift P through to set it on top, bottom, or off. Now hit Shift Q to call up the candlestick reference panel. Click Q to scroll through the reference. To close it, just hit Escape. Okay, now let's call up the wheel by hitting W or double click if you have that enabled. In last lesson we went through how to use the outer and inner rings. Now I'm going to show you a shortcut. Instead of choosing the trend line tool in the wheel, now we're going to click on T to draw the trend line. So hit T once, then click and let go at the starting point. Then just move your mouse to the end point and click again. This is similar to how you draw in TradingView. You don't need to drag the line. Now hit the R key and click on the starting point and the end point. You can practice doing this a few times. It's super quick and efficient. Okay, now select all by hitting Shift and Escape and hit Delete to delete all. Now hit H to draw a horizontal line and click at a point where you want it to be created. Horizontal lines are excellent objects to create an alert on. It saves time and shows you the horizontal level where confluences might occur, such as support and resistance or breakout levels. For vertical lines, hit the V key and click where you want the line to be drawn. Vertical lines are extremely useful if you want to be notified or reminded at a certain time, such as import moves or market session start time. Here's an example and best practices tip. If you want to set an alert, you should change the name and description of the object. In this example, I'll rename to New York Session and US CPI News. The reason for that is when there is an alert, it will show you the name of the object in the alert message. And if you hover over the line, it will show you the description so you know what you drew that line for. For better clarity, you can show the description of the line by clicking the description button on the wheel. Now, let me show you an example. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame and wait for the alert. And there it is. Let's move to the H for time frame, select all, and delete. Okay, now let's say you wanted to draw a support and resistance level for the H for time frame. Hit R to draw a rectangle, then select the rectangle, press Ctrl and drag the rectangle upwards. You'll get a replica of that rectangle. It's the default command, but it works well. Okay, now change the name and description to H for support and resistance, then set an alert. Now if the price hits the top of the bottom rectangle, it will say price has hit the top of H for support, indicating support has been reached. If it goes down to the bottom line, it will say H for resistance bottom line hit, meaning that the support may have been broken. And it will be vice versa for the top rectangle acting as resistance. Now isn't that a lot more useful than just an alert that doesn't tell you anything? Which make us panic if you have many alerts on for one trading pair in differing time frames. Let's try another scenario. Let's say we want to detect a breakout. A rectangle with an alert is perfect for this situation. Just draw a rectangle from the top of the range to the bottom range and drag it out and set an alert. I'm sure you understand the idea now. To quickly draw the Fibonacci retracement, just hit F. For the extension, hit E. You can set alerts by pressing X as well. And don't forget to set the alert levels in the parameters like in the first lesson. Okay, let's review the quick draw shortcuts. T for trend line, R for rectangle, V for vertical line, H for horizontal line, F for Fibonacci retracement, E for the extension. Shift Escape to select all, and X to set alerts. Okay, next is the navigation shortcuts. When you drag the chart to view previous candles on the left, Don't you always get sent back to the current candle because you forgot to go up and hit the auto scroll off button? Well, now you can just hit the A key to turn it on and off, a super convenient feature that is oftenly used. Now you can scroll with ease. Oh no, the chart is too large. Just hold down Shift and scroll down to scale it. You no longer need to go all the way to the right and drag the price scale. And if you need to move the chart up or down, just hold down the Shift key and move the mouse up or down. And here's a neat trick. If you want to drag charts like in TradingView, hold down the Shift key and scroll down the mouse wheel until the chart is almost flat. Then double-click on the price scale. Now you can drag the chart as you please. Last but not least, probably the most used shortcut everyone will use is changing the time frame. Of course, you can call up the wheel and change it there, but you can also change it by just hitting the up or down arrow key. I hope this guide was helpful to you. In our next lesson, I'll teach you how to use the trade panel in the wheel in detail. Happy trading and thanks for watching.